Papa Saw making a YouTube video.
Brady's giant hammer continues. He describes himself as a hot water heater ready to explode at any moment. After being caught, Brady claims he tried to provoke officers to end his life. Michael Brady now sits on death row in federal prison for the murders of the 4 corrections employees. Prosecutors have continued to pursue the death penalty for the 3 other inmates involved in the killings as well.
Ooh.
When you need cash out of your home and a simple way to get it,
Can't see Papa.
state-of-the-art technology makes it ready. The visionary Nexus NX.
Lease the 2021 NX 300 for $359 a month for 36 months.
Experience amazing with STL. Open to Lenti and raise the jar. From Gelato favorite scratch. Raise the jar to all 5 layers. Raise the jar to the best gelato. Raise the jar.
At Domino's, we're constantly innovating to find better ways to deliver you pizza. So we're testing driverless delivery powered by Euro, and it's got some back to their old habits.
Where's the balloon?
Avoid gluing when you get any 2 or more medium 2-topping Domino's pizzas delivered for just $5.99 each.
It's an important time to save. With Priceline, you can get up to 60% off amazing hotels. Not a big deal. You feel like a big deal. Priceline. Every trip is a big deal.
What?
Sure. Matches for French fries?
It's easy to be unsafe.
So I gave you a birthday for free parking.
That's how I got this room. Now it's easy to protect yourself. Opt in to cyber safety at norton.com/cybersafety.
The CMT Music Awards are the one night to live country music up. Featuring sizzling performances by Brothers Osborne and Church Medley, Chris Stapleton, Luke Combs, Maren Morris and J.P. Sachs, Vicky Guyton and Gladys Knight, and Miranda Lambert, Jack Ingram, and John Randall. Kelsey Ballerini and Kate Brown host the 2021 CMT Music Awards. Tonight at 8:30.
Oh.
Every recipe, from breakfast to dinner. Goya Adobo. Real flavor for real life chefs. If it's Goya, it has to be good. Every Cape Cod original chip is made with just potatoes, oil, and sea salt. And yet, there's something else like it. Cape Cod chips. Savor what's special.
Franklin County Circuit Court near Detroit, Michigan. The judge is Martha Anderson. Please court, Your Honor. Paul Nicoletti, appearing on behalf of... That's attorney Paul Nicoletti, who's in court because of an ongoing feud with a former client, Karen Stevens.
Judge Karen Stevens, in court for my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
Stevens claims Nicoletti has petitioned the court for a personal protection order against her over accusations of stalking. She's here to fight the order, try to bring sanctions against Nicoletti.
My motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this one.
I have a motion for sanctions against...
Know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking this
Because I
man.
haven't signed the PPO.
Just to clarify, the personal protection order
Mom's
that Stevens
getting
is referring to has not even been issued.
His petition for a PPO. Okay.
Okay, tap.
We can stop.
Then I get the other arm set. Anyway.
Constitutional right to be heard.